Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove Okta from Safari. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your phone. Now go ahead and find the settings app. Open it up. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and find the app section at the very bottom, right here. Now go ahead and find Safari, okay? Right here, just tap on it. And once done, go ahead and scroll down and find Clear History and Website Data, okay? Tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and tap on All History and then tap on Clear History, okay? Now once done, go back. Now go ahead and find Advanced right here at the very bottom. Just tap on it. I know it's pretty blurry right here on your end, but just listen closely, okay? At the top, we have Website Data. Gotta want to tap on it. Wait for it to load. Now just go ahead and find Google, any Google related services, and Okta, okay? So basically tap on edit. Now, once done, these buttons right here or delete buttons will be available. So just go ahead and select again any Google related services and any Okta related services, okay? For example, there's a Google service right here. Just tap on the delete button. Now tap on delete. And once done, hit on the done button right here at the top right. And after that, you can now go ahead and close this one, open up Safari, and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.